Dewalt DCS573B cordless saw with a free battery. I'm going to tell you about it coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and what I'm going to cover here is the Dewalt DCS573B cordless saw. Comes with a free battery if you buy the tool. It was a special. I've been watching this and watching this. This is a FlexVolt model, and it's normally $199. And I found where there was a sale where you could buy the tool itself for $179 and get a free 5 amp hour battery. So I had to jump on that. I've been watching this for quite a while. They did have the free battery thing going on with the $199 price, and I finally did find some place with the $179 price and the free battery. So the battery is $139, so I'm basically getting a saw for $40. And it is the FlexVolt model, and no, I haven't opened it yet. This just came, and unfortunately, if you're wanting to do the same thing, that sale ended November 1st, and today is November 4th. But I could not just go pick it up. I had to have it delivered, and I had to pay, I don't know, 12 bucks shipping or something like that. It wasn't bad. I already do have a Dewalt saw, cordless saw. This is the 18 volt. I've had this a long time. And yeah, somebody's going to say you got your blade in backwards. Well, that's a plywood blade, and I put it in backwards for cutting vinyl siding. And if you've never heard that trick, it works really, really well. And this does work. Although the battery's a little weak in it, it sounds like. But this doesn't really have the horsepower to start cutting through a whole bunch of 2x4s all day long. So I wanted something with a little bit more horsepower when I needed to go cordless. I generally use corded saws because then I don't have to screw with the batteries, but sometimes that just isn't convenient, or you'll be someplace where there's no power. So I'm going to get this thing unboxed and take a look at it. We'll put it together if it needs to be put together. Hopefully the blade's already on it. If it even comes with a blade. Like I said, I haven't opened it. We're going to find out. I hate these packages. I know it's for prevent theft, but boy, I hate them. Stanley does make this nice little tool for ripping these things open. I know you can also use scissors, and you can use a can opener and a few other ways. This works very well, and it has guard on it, so you're not going to cut yourself. You see me pulling it towards me, but okay, here's the battery. I'll go stick that on the charger. Yeah, pushing the button here is it needs to be charged. I'll start out with one of my batteries that's already got a charge in it. Get rid of this trash. I don't usually do unboxing videos because my opinion is anybody can take stuff out of a box. Oh, even got a nice little handle there in the cardboard. You can just grab and pull it out. Like so. And we got a manual. So yeah, it does have a blade with it. .24 tooth. Just kind of looking this over, make sure there's no damage on it. There isn't. Blade changing wrench is stuck in the back underneath the plate. It feels like it's held in there pretty good. There's a spindle lock right here for, it's similar to their corded saws. You hold this down, it holds the spindle in place while you change your blade. Holy cow. Need a bigger tool. That thing is really in there. you know. Jeez. It's a 1/2 inch, by the way, if you're looking to just do a box end wrench or a combination wrench. That sucker was really tight. We're not going to torque it quite so tight. Have to wrench back in this little storage spot there. Stick a battery on here. Also has a brake, which is nice, and it has a little LED light right here in front that can hopefully illuminate your line. So I'm going to be giving this thing a test run here in the next few days, and if I have any problems with it, I'll certainly let you know. It feels like it has plenty of power, and I don't think I need to really cut a piece of wood here. I mean, anybody can do that with a saw. But we'll give this thing a shot. Seems to be well made. I guess I better lock the base plate down. And it has a hook here for hanging this on a sawhorse or a rafter. Not something I usually do because there's always a danger you could drop it on somebody. Anyway, that's a little quick unboxing and assembly of a Dewalt saw with a very, very tight arbor bolt. Well, we got her. If you got anything at all out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Next to that subscribe button's a little bell. If you click that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. Otherwise, I'm Roger in the shop, and yes, I'm a Dewalt fan. See you in the next one.